Hi everyone, today I'll talk to you about this cassette tape recorder. I bought it for only 30 Egyptian pounds for the purpose of spare parts. I don't actually intend to repair it, but I'm going to repair it for only one reason, that I'm going to use not the radio nor the cassette recorder, but I want really to use the line in or AUX for testing purposes. That's why I'm going to see about this cassette tape recorder. Here it is from inside. All the wires are cut. See? Okay. First I'll test the transformer. أول حاجة هعملها يا جماعة a lot of cut wires. Okay, I just connected the transformer to the main source of power here. Okay, this is the output. This is one, and this is two. It is not connected. Yes, it is supposed to be connected here. I just try to connect it with the main source, and then I will come back to you. I'm going to disconnect the output of the transformer because they are connected to the diodes, and solder them into the board where indicated on the board. You see, here it is the AC, and I'll come back to you. I have soldered them already. Now it is time to plug in the power protection bulb and see whether there will be power or not. Okay, I've plugged it in already. The speakers are not connected, so won't be able to hear a sound, but we can at least hear the movement of the motor if there is power. Yes, there is power now, and the motor is rewinding. Actually, I don't want to fix the cassette recorder nor the radio. All I want to do is to use it, as I told you previously, as a tester. You see, I want to use only the AUX for it. Now, after making sure that the power is back again, I removed this cassette piece to find out where to connect the speakers. There are a lot of cut wires. Anyway, this wire connects to a LED light. Okay, this is for the pilot light, and this is connected to the radio. This means that it is connected to another LED for stereo sound, for FM stereo. Okay, I don't know about the other wires. I have to remove this board so that I know which is which. Here we go. I've cleaned it with a brush, toothbrush, and thinner. Now I'll remove this board to see where the speakers are connected. If we can't know, or we don't know where the speakers are connected, we can connect them to this socket. This is the socket for headphones. Okay. So those two loose wires are the speaker's wire. Do you know why? Because they are connected to the headphones input socket. You see, if we trace both of them, we'll find that they will end here. So this means those are for the speakers. Now let's connect the speaker and see whether there is sound coming out or not. Well, as I told you that it is not that simple. It is not a matter only of cut wires. Okay, there's another problem that, I could have connected already a speaker and I've plugged in the power protection bulb, but I'm afraid it is still as dead as ever. I can hear no sound at all. Nothing. You see? Nothing is coming out. Nothing. Dead. Completely dead. Apparently someone tried before, but he failed. So he left it with cut wires. Anyway, as I told you, I only wanted to work, not to use it as a radio or a cassette recorder, but only to use the line in for testing. Okay? ماشي. The problem can arise from bad amplifier IC. You see, bad capacitor, a short capacitor can do this. It can make the set as dead as this, 100% dead. The volume control can do this. You see, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to jump to conclusions. As I told you, the problem can arise from many things, but the easiest, then the more difficult. Okay, the easy thing is that there might be an unseen cut here. I cannot see it, I cannot see any cut, you see, but there might be, there's a possibility, so we have to roll it out. Okay, to roll it out, I'll just unsolder those two wires which are connected to the speaker and connected directly to this socket and see what will become. Yes, I heard something. Well, now let's try. Yes, heard the sound. So this is the problem. It is as simple as that. You see, there's a hidden cut here. We can't see it with our bare eyes. There's an unseen cut here, but we cannot see it. We can't see it. I don't see it at all. See, there's nothing. You see, but anyway, it is working right now. Okay, so that's it. The other guy who worked on this cassette tape recorder replaced the amplifier IC, but I'm afraid the problem was not the amplifier IC. That's why he abandoned the cassette tape and decided that it is beyond repair. Originally, the two speakers were connected to each other, and it was just like a one-sided cassette tape recorder. So it came from the factory this way. But I'm going to connect the two speakers on two sides of the amplifier IC, because the amplifier IC, there's two inputs for speakers in the amplifier IC. That's why I'm going to mount the two speakers making use of the two input of the speakers in the amplifier IC, so that there will be distribution of sound better than this, because in this way there won't be distribution of sound, because they are connected to each other. You see? The volume control is making too much noise, that's why I'm going to spray it with the WD-40. Shh. Shh. Yes, I can hear sound now. You see, I connected to the negative and the positive of the speaker. I will tell you how I differentiate between the negative and the positive. I just traced it down and I knew where is the positive and where is the negative. When I'm afraid I'm going to use this cassette tape recorder to replace the oscilloscope. It is very expensive here and I can't afford to buy one. That's why I'm going to use this one as an oscilloscope. Okay, and you will see afterwards how.
فالابتلاء ليس نقمة مطلقا، وإنما هو نعمة من الله لاختبار صبر الإنسان.
بل إنه أصلا يعني دليل محبة من الله عز وجل.
بيتحط في كشف الاختبارات.
إن الله إذا أحب قوما.
Well, as you have heard, the sound is pure, the radio sound is pure, but I don't want to use it as a radio or a cassette. I want to only to use it as something like the oscilloscope, because I cannot afford to buy an oscilloscope because it is extremely expensive here, okay, because the exchange rate of the dollar. So that's why I'm using this cassette tape recorder. I'm using the EOX as an oscilloscope just to give me, okay, a hint about the tracks of the sound. And this was the end of our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. See you on a new video with a new product. Bye for now.